Buying your first car can be exciting, but it can also be stressful if you don't know where to start. The good news, today I'm breaking down 5 easy steps that will make buying your first car way easier and actually save you money. Whether you're in high school, college, or working your first job, this video is for you. Stick around until the end because I'm going to reveal my secret tip that first-time buyers almost always miss. Step 1, set your budget and stick to it. Here's the deal, don't just think about the sticker price. You've got insurance, taxes, registration, gas, and maintenance to think about. A good rule of thumb, your car payment should not be more than 15% of your monthly take-home pay. And if you're paying cash, make sure you still have money left over for repairs and insurance. Drop a comment right now, what's your budget for your first car? I want to see how many of you are in the 5 to 10K range versus financing something newer. All right, moving right along to step 2. Pick the right car for your lifestyle. Don't buy with your heart only, buy with your head. If you're commuting to school or work, reliability and gas mileage might be more important than horsepower. If you need to haul friends or gear, pickup trucks, hatchbacks, or SUVs may be better options. Make a list of your must-haves. Is it fuel efficient? Does it have a low insurance cost? And does it have cargo space? Pro tips, search for cars known for reliability. Hondas, Toyotas, and Mazdas are great cars for first-time buyers. And remember, it's your first car, not your forever car. Moving on to step 3, research like crazy. Check sites like Kelley Blue Book or Edmunds to make sure that you're getting a fair deal. Look up common problems on YouTube forums or Reddit. And always check the Carfax vehicle history report if it's used. A car that looks perfect could have been in multiple accidents. And with that being said, I have a question for you. What car are you thinking of buying for your first car? Drop a comment below and I'll respond, letting you know if it's a solid choice or if it's a car that you should avoid. Moving right along to step 4, inspect and test drive. This is super important, so never ever skip out on this. Walk around the car, check the tires, check the brakes, check the fluids. If you can, bring a friend or a mechanic with you to inspect the car before you purchase. When test driving the car, turn the radio off and listen for weird noises. How's the steering? How's the braking? How's the acceleration? Does it have a misfire? These are all things that you want to know before you purchase your first car. Remember, dealerships will clean a car to make it look perfect, but you want to know how it drives as well. If something feels off, trust your gut. Remember, there are plenty of cars out there. You don't need to rush. Okay, step number 5, negotiate like a pro. This part of the car buying process scares people, but it's necessary. So here's the trick. Do your research. Be polite and be ready to walk away. Say things like, based on my research, this is the price I'm comfortable paying. Dealers and even private sellers expect negotiation, and even knocking off $500 off the deal can save you money and even cover your insurance for a few months. So it is key to ensure that you negotiate when buying your first car. And the key secret tip that most new buyers almost always miss is to factor in insurance costs. See, a $7,000 sports car might sound great. However, if the insurance is too much for you to afford monthly, then maybe it's not that great of a deal after all. For instance, if the insurance on that vehicle is $300 a month, maybe it's not that realistic. These are all things that you have to account for when purchasing your first car. A trick that you can use is to call the insurance company and get a quote prior to purchasing that vehicle. All you need to get a quote is the VIN number of that vehicle. Then they can give you an on-the-spot quote and let you know how much insurance each month would be for that vehicle. Then you can make a better decision whether or not it's a good deal. If this video helped you, be sure to hit that like button. It tells YouTube to show this video to more first-time buyers. Subscribe for more car tips here. And if you want even more car buying tips that will save you thousands of dollars, then click on this video right here. So I'll see you next time. Peace.